I will be seeing how long it takes me to chug an entire energy drink. And FYI, I will be timing myself. My record is 59 seconds. I have it ready. Hold up. Okay. Oh, come on. I have to click a button. Hold up. I need to pause. 40 seconds. Hold up. I'm finished. 40.9. Is that long? I was 19 minutes. No, I was 19 off. No, I beat my record by 19 seconds.